Hola estudiantes. In this video I'm going to show you how to navigate through the iLrn Learning Center. So after you have created your account and entered the course code and the book key provided on Blackboard under week 1, this is what you'll see. And so if you click on the book, it's going to take you to this page. This page, you have these different tabs on the right side of the screen. You have the assignment calendar, the ebook, activities, self-tests, media library, and practice. The media library, you can watch the different videos. They are divided by chapters, grammar explanations, as well as some example with real people from Spanish-speaking countries. So if you are a visual person, this may be very useful for you. The self-tests, they are divided by chapter. You have a pre-test and a post-test for each chapter. Then practice are different resources for you to study, such as flashcards, tutorials, and games, etc. Before I go to the ebook, I'm going to show you the activities. So if you go to activities, you have all of the activities that there are in the book. However, I have not assigned all of the activities that are in the book. So I discourage you to use this tab, the activities, if you don't want to do more than you need to. If you want to do extra, if you want to practice more, then this is great, okay? But if you want to just complete the activities that you get credit for, then you should go to the assignment calendar. The assignment calendar, you can view it two different ways: view by date and view by chapter. You always want to make sure that it's on the view by date option. That way you don't miss any assignments. Because if you go here on the view by chapter, you may, for example, let's see. For example, these activities, they are due on the 18th, January 18th. And this is on the 24th. However, it's listed before in this view. So to avoid any misunderstanding, go to the view by date, and then in this calendar here that you have, you can go and see each week what it's due on Monday, what it's due on Wednesday, what is due on Thursday. And you are more than welcome to work ahead of time. So if you want to get it done this week, you want to get done the whole chapter 1, you can do that if you want to. And then the ebook. The ebook, you have to click here, and then you're able to read. And then you can study with you can study using the ebook let's see. So let's go here. Okay, and if you study using the ebook and then you want to complete an activity that is assigned, then you can just click on the activity and it will take you to the activity. The icons that do not have the A, it's because they're not assigned, so you don't have to complete them, such as this one or this one, okay? Those you don't have to complete them. But like I said, if you see an A, you can click here and do the activity. Okay, and then you can submit the answers. After you submit, you close, you keep studying, and then you do the next activity. Okay. I hope this video was useful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. It's very important that we start with the right foot. Ok, hasta pronto.